Well, good afternoon my friends, welcome back to another video. So today finds us in the North Yorkshire market town of Gisborough, which apparently is the gateway to the North York Moors. Now we're here at the local Wetherspoons because I'm going to try out something new from their menu. Now if you remember from a good few videos back now, I went to South Shields on the bank holiday Monday, and it was the last weekend for the late lamented large mixed grill. So you can't get a mixed grill at Wetherspoons anymore, but they have introduced a couple of new things to the menu. So today I'm going to try out the steak and kidney pudding. Could be interesting. Come with us. Okay my friends, so we're in the Ironstone Miner. We've got a little beer garden out the front there, so it's ideal for me to do this quick food review without being disturbed basically, and not disturbing anybody else. So I've got the menu here. We'll just have a quick look and see what is new on there. Now the steak and ale pudding is on there, just bear with me, I'll let you have a look. So we've got steak and ale pudding with a soft drink is £5.45, with an alcoholic drink is £6.98. They're really good prices, aren't they? So there's a whole range now of gourmet burgers, so all them are new. A couple of new deli deals as well. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to this. Put you up there. There we go. Now I've been out filming all morning in Whitby. So I'm quite hungry, but yeah, quite looking forward to the steak and ale pudding. So I'll get the app out, we'll get the order in. Catch you in a minute. Right my friends, so I've got my order in for my steak and ale pudding. Got chips, got garden peas. You have the choice of chips or mash, or garden peas or mushy peas. So I've gone for the garden peas. I know it's going to be quite a small portion, and what I would normally recommend at this point is, if you're going to order a small meal like that, order a side of bread and butter, so you get two nice big slices of white bread and Lurpak butter. So that would have made it a really nice meal, but I'm not that hungry, and it's Sunday. I've got a Sunday lunch waiting for me at home later on today, so I'll just have a light snack and we'll try out the steak and ale pudding here at Wetherspoons. Goodness me, can't believe I'm eating at Spoons again. Right my friends, so got my pint of Doom bar here. I know I'm driving, but I'm also having a meal, so before you get on it now I think I deserve that for dealing with all the massive crowds in Whitby this morning. I really didn't know it was regatta day. I set out to go on the big whale. Big whale's gone. There you go. It just goes to show that if you want to do something, anything at all in life, do it while you can. Don't put it off, because yeah, the chance is gone now, hasn't it? Can't wait for the food to arrive now. Getting hungry. Okay, so I ordered my food 20 minutes ago. Goodness me, it's not even that busy in there, so yeah, it's not happening for me today, is it? So I'm enjoying my beer. Now, I ordered it on the app, so I know the order's gone in there, but yeah, here we are, 20 minutes later. I'm still waiting for the food. I'll try and not let it affect my score. Would you knock a couple of points off for that? Yeah, it's not good, is it? 20 minutes. I've now got a load of bikers coming on. Goodness me, it's honestly, can this day get any worse? There's a load of bikers just coming in here now. Yeah. Honestly, do you know what? I'm not even going to put that in outtakes. I'm going to leave it in because this day is a total write-off, isn't it? And I'm still waiting for my food. Okay, my friends, I was getting worried about my food there now. I've waited over half an hour now. It's finally arrived. Take a closer look. Okay, right, so it looks delicious, to be fair. We've got the traditional plate filler here with the gravy, so we'll just pour that over there. It looks delicious. It's onion gravy as well, so we'll have a little bit of salt on. And a little bit of pepper. Right, so I've waited a long time for this, so let's give it a go, eh? Let's give this a go. So we'll cut into the pudding. Oh, now then. Oh, there's plenty of meat in that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Some gravy on the chips. Okay, I'm going to rate this. We'll come back in a minute and we'll give it a mark out of 10. It's absolutely delicious, folks. Now, I thought that steak and eel pudding would be a bit sort of sticky and stodgy. It's really, really very nice. It's quite crispy. So, yeah, it's not at all what I thought it was. I thought it would be like one of those goblin meat puddings. I'm probably showing my age there. But remember the old goblin meat pudding? I thought it was going to be a bit like that. But this is, yeah, it's not like that at all. Oh, it's really good. Really good. So, despite them nearly making me wait nearly half an hour, I think this is going to be a good score. We'll see you in a minute, guys. Okay, my friends. Well, they say a plate tells a story. Let's see how nice this steak and ale pudding was. Oh my goodness, yes, it's all gone. So I'm just going to chill and drink the rest of my beer and we'll round this up outside. Yeah, it's going to get a good score, this, isn't it? See you in a minute, guys.
There's always one in there.
Well, I have to say that was absolutely delicious. Yeah, I waited half an hour for it, but I'm not even going to take any points off for that because the wait was well worth it. It's got to be a 10. It's got to be a 10 out of 10. The steak and ale pudding, the pudding was very, very crispy. It wasn't soggy at all. Full of meat. The gravy that came with it was absolutely delightful. It was very, very tasty gravy, that. It wasn't a tiny amount of chips, so there was a decent amount of chips there. Garden peas, well, you can't go wrong with garden peas, can you? But honestly, absolutely delicious and value for money. That was amazing. It was £6.98, and that's including my pint of Doom bar. So, you know, just to put it in perspective, like I mentioned earlier, I'd set out today to do a little video down in Whitby, and I was going to ride the big wheel. Now, the admission price for that big wheel was £7. Now, I've just had lunch in a Wetherspoon's pub here, in a nice beer garden. It was a lovely setting, with a pint of beer and a meal for less than £7. So yeah, honestly, Wetherspoon's new menu, definitely a big thumbs up for it. Yes, I was going to miss the mixed grill, and I do miss the mixed grill, but they've replaced it with some absolutely fantastic food in there. Okay, my friends, so that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, give me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It costs you absolutely nothing to subscribe, and also click the little bell for notifications of when I upload new videos, and we'll see you very soon in the next one. So stay safe, stay positive. We'll see you very soon, guys. Bye bye.